Usually we never, in the East, we have something called Purana, not history. History is totally different from Purana. History means date, time, incident, whatever happened in the level of length, breadth, depth is recorded. See, whatever has happened in the level of length, breadth, depth is in this 3 dimension. That is recorded. But in Purana, not only whatever has happened in the length, breadth, depth, we record the impact of that incident in time and space. That is why we feel the Puranic things are exaggerated. For example, Adolf Hitler taking birth and another ordinary man taking birth. In the length, breadth, depth wise, both are same. It's not a big thing. Both are one and the same. But this guy's birth has created, his influence on space and time is totally different than the influence created by an ordinary man. Ordinary man, if you see from the view of history, length, breadth, depth, both are same. But if you see the incident from the time and space, his influence, Hitler's influence, is totally different. In India, we try to record, in the East, they try to record something called Puranas, where they give importance to the influence created by that person in space and time. They did not give much importance to the incident itself, which is in the length, breadth, depth. That dimension was not given much importance. But the dimension of space and time, that was given more importance. Because the enlightened beings, the rishis, were able to penetrate and see the influence or the impact of that incident in the time and space. Krishna taking birth, and another one, Sisubala. Sisubala also took birth the same time. Taking birth. In the length, breadth, depth, both are same incidents. But why Krishna is given so much of importance? Why a beautiful big book is written about his birth? Because his influence in the space and time is totally different from the influence created by Sisubala. Be very clear. History can never be complete unless it covers the dimension of space and time also. And not only that, it is biased. Whoever wins the war, he writes the history. If Hitler would have won the war, history would have been totally different.